Hey traders, Arjun here. Most traders open their trading app at 9:15 and react to whatever happens. Green candle, buy. Red candle, panic. They are playing the market with zero preparation. Rahul used to do this too. Open Zerodha at 9:15. Stare at the screen. Hope for the best. But then he built a 45-minute morning routine, and it turned him from a gambler into a trader. Rahul's pre-market routine. 8:30 a.m. Check global markets. Before anything else, Rahul checks what happened while India was sleeping. SGX Nifty. How are the futures trading in Singapore? That tells you where Nifty will likely open. U.S. futures. Did the S&P 500 go up or down overnight? Asian markets. Japan, Hong Kong. Are they green or red? And any overnight news. Fed rate decision. Oil price spike. Global events. Move India markets first thing in the morning. 5 minutes. That is all it takes. 8:45 a.m. Review the watch list. Rahul has 5 stocks on his watch list. Not 50, not 100. 5. He opens yesterday's daily charts for each one. What did they close? Are they near a key support or resistance level? He marks the levels on each chart. This stock is near support at 450. That one is approaching resistance at 1200. He writes down which stocks are in play today. Most days, only 1 or 2 are near a level worth trading. 9 a.m. Sell alerts. This is the game changer. Instead of staring at 5 charts all day, Rahul sets price alerts at his key levels. Stock A alert at 450. Stock B alert at 1200. Now he does not need to watch the screen constantly. The market will come to him. When a stock hits his level, his phone buzzes. Until then, he waits. Patience is not passive. Patience is strategic. 9:05 a.m. Write the plan. For each potential trade, Rahul writes down 5 things. Entry price, stop loss, target price, risk to reward ratio, and position size, all written down before the market opens. Not calculated in the heat of the moment. Not decided when the candle is moving. Decided now, in silence, with a clear head. The plan is the anchor. When a market gets chaotic, Rahul looks at his plan, not his emotions. 9:10 a.m. Check economic calendar. Are there any events today that could cause big moves? RBI interest rate decision. That changes everything. Quarterly results for any stock on the watch list. That means gaps and volatility. FI and D2 data. Are foreign investors buying or selling? If there's a major event today, Rahul adjusts. Smaller position sizes, wider stops, or sometimes no trades at all. The best trade is sometimes no trade. 9:15 to 9:45. The golden rule. Watch only. No trades in the first 30 minutes. 0. This is the hardest part. The market opens and everything moves. Big green candles. Big red candles. Your fingers itch to click buy or sell. But the first 30 minutes is amateur hour. Institutions are not trading yet. The volume is thin. The moves are traps. Rahul watches. He observes. He lets the chaos settle. While everyone else is gambling, he is studying. 9:45 and beyond. Execute the plan, not emotions. Now the real market begins. If one of his setups triggers, he takes the trade. Entry, stop, target, all pre-decided. If no setup triggers, he waits. No trades today? That is fine. Rahul's journal shows this routine improve his win rate by 15%. Not from better chart reading, not from a new indicator, just for being prepared instead of being reactive. Rahul's pre-market routine rules. 1. Start at 8:30, not 9:15. 2. Check global markets before India markets. 3. Maximum 5 stocks on watch list. 4. Mark key levels and set alerts. 5. Write the complete trade plan before market opens. 6. Check economic calendar for events. 7. No trades in first 30 minutes. 8. Execute the plan, not your emotions. The market rewards those who prepare. 45 minutes every morning. That is the difference between gambling and trading. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.